morning, dear student. I am your SST teacher, Mrs. Sheetal Chauhan. Today, I teach you Lesson 4 DRC, the Land of Dense Forest. In this chapter, we learn the climate and relief of the DRC, its vegetation, wildlife, and natural resources, its people, and the means of transport found in the DRC. DRC, the Democratic Republic of Congo, is the country located deep in the heart of African continent. It's lie in the torrid zone. The equator passes through northern DRC. DRC was ruled by Belgium till it became independence in 1960. It was earlier called Belgium Congo in 1971. Its name was changed to Zaire. Once again in 1997, its name was again changed to the Democratic Republic of Congo. The capital of DRC is Kinshasa. The landscape of country is dominated by the Congo River. It is the second largest river in Africa and the seventh largest in the world. The Congo Basin covered almost the entire country. There are high mountains in the eastern edge of the DRC and plateau in the south and southwest. Our next point is climate. Being near the equator, the climate is most part of DRC is very hot throughout the year. The rapid evaporation of water due to the high temperature during the day leads to high level of humidity. This causes cloud to build up and heavy rains occur by afternoon. This happens almost every day, making the region one of the wettest in the world. In some part of DRC, especially in south, it does not rain so much, while the summer is hot and wet and the winter is cool and dry there. Our next point is a vegetation. The hot and humid climate of the DRC is ideal for the growth of dense forest. This dense forest called tropical rainforest. Rainforest covered most part of DRC. They are evergreen forest. The trees of the forest are covered with leaves throughout the year. There are a large variety of trees and other plants. The trees are tall and form a canopy of leaves at the top. Creepers, climbers, and shrubs grow below the trees. At several places, the canopy is so thick that very few plants are grow under it. In some part of DRC, mostly in the south, where the climate is not so hot and wet, the vegetation is different. There are grasslands with the few trees. Such open grasslands are called savanna. Wildlife. A large variety of wildlife is found in the forest and savanna of the DRC. Elephant, buffalo, gorilla, chimpanzee, bamboo, hippopotamus and rhinoceros are some mammals found in a forest. Lion, leopards, giraffe, zebra, elephant roam the savannas. There are many types of birds and insects in the forest. Among the insects is found the tsetse fly, which causes the sleeping sickness. Natural resources. DRC has rich natural resources. There are vast deposits of copper, cobalt, gold, uranium and diamond in southern DRC. It has the world's largest deposits of cobalt. Most of the minerals are exported to other countries. Agriculture. The major food crops grow are cassava, maize and rice. Coffee, cocoa, rubber and cotton are also grown and most of these are exported. People's lifestyle in DRC. DRC is thinly populated. Most people live in villages in the highlands in the east and along the rivers. Only about 30% of the people live in cities. Modern facilities are available in cities. Villagers live in huts in separate tribals or groups, each having its own customs. There are about 200 tribals in DRC. The most well-known inhabitants of the DRC are the Panjamins. Panjamins probably lived throughout the DRC and other part of Central Africa, but now they are fewer in number and live only in the center part of the rainforest. The Panjamins are short in height. They get their food by hunting animals and gathering plant foods. They live in camps, which they occupy for only a few weeks. Since the weather is hot and humid, the tribal people do not wear many clothes. But on a special occasion, they wear colorful costumes. They enjoy singing, dancing and telling stories. Transportation in DRC. Rail and road connect city with each other, but land transportation is not so well developed. Water transport over the river Congo and other rivers is the major means of transport. This is all about your lesson for DRC. I hope this video helpful for you. Watch this video and try to learn it.